I would like to demonstrate how to run a clip on the back of another clip in a small window. For example, I would like to run this video in a small window as part of this video. So the first thing I need to do is to drag this video in another line, drag it to a separate line, and move this video so that I close the gap between the two. So pretty much what is happening is that this clip and this clip are parallel. If you want to run this clip as part of this clip in a smaller window, click this clip first. As you click this clip first, it will highlight that this clip is this one. So if you want this clip to run at the back or as a small window of this, you could minimize this, and probably you could prefer to drag this clip so that you can see the longer clip is this one, and the smaller clip is that one. So as you run this video, they both move at the same time. You can leave it like that, but if you want to make this much smaller, you can always adjust the size of this and probably put it on a position that you want it to be. Let's run it again so you can have a second look.
Going. When things go wrong,